If you're wondering how to invest successfully in stocks through the market cycles, handle volatility, and sustain healthy returns for years, this is for you. I have created a 4-hour masterclass designed to help you cut through all the noise and get clear on how to invest successfully in stocks. In this course, we'll tackle how to avoid behaviors that result in loss and regret. I'll show you how to quickly assess a company and find quality stocks, assess the right price, when to buy and when to sell. Plus, you will see how to use powerful tools to implement all that you have learned. Tools for evaluating companies and stocks, creating your financial plan, managing your portfolio and more. Whether you're a beginner or already investing, this masterclass will help you make smarter decisions and grow your savings into wealth. I'm not going to waste your time on theories, but to get you fully equipped with a proven process and tools to implement it. So, enroll now at just 2,999 rupees and let's get started on your journey to becoming a confident investor.